Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you on how to fix runtime broker fails on your Windows 10. Let's begin. Go to menu, click on setting, then click on system, and this will appear. After clicking on system, go to notifications and action. So you can see here and check on get tips, tricks, and suggestion as you use Windows, and check on that. Then close the window. Close this window. After that, go back to start menu again. Click, then go to settings. Again, go to setting. Then click on privacy. On privacy, search for background app. On privacy, search for background apps. Scroll down until you see background apps. Then that is it. Click on background apps. On background apps, you will see all the apps that are running on your background, all of them. You can disable. You can disable by putting it off. Or you can manually disable one by one by selecting the specific app that you don't want them to run on your background. Maybe I want Photona, or I want a calculator, 3D viewer, so on and so forth. The ones you don't want them to run on your background, you disable them by putting on and off. Then after disabling them, putting on and off, you can, as I said, you can put manually or you can put all of them. Actually, it's always advisable to select one by one manually, so you cannot put all of them off at the same time. There's some app that you need to run. Then after that, close the window again. Go back here, close the window. After closing the window, then the last option is go to search. On search menu, search the word, type the word regedit. Regedit. Then click enter. This will take you on it will take you here. Registry editor will open, then click yes. After clicking yes, now this registry editor will show you, which the windows will open. You will see there we have HKey classroom, HKey current user, HKey local machine, HKey users, HKey current config. Yes, we are looking for. We are going to expand on HKey local machine. On HKey local machine, after expanding that, go to system, expand on system. This will open. After expanding on system, Again, expand on check and search for where current control set, then expand there as well. Expand on current control set, then now expand on services. On services, search for you have to search for time broker. Search for time broker SVC. Let's search for time broker SVC. Let's go where T is. SVC. Time broker SV. You're going there. Time broker SVC. Actually, somewhere here. Yes. Here is time broker SVC. Click there. When you click there, you don't have to expand, you just click there. At your right hand side, you will see some content open there, some apps. Like go down to second last, click right click on start. When you right click on start, modify, click on modify. Then a small dialog box will appear where there is written 3, write 4. Then click OK. And guys, here you will fix your problem. Now click the restart. After clicking on modified, then now you click restart. Then your problem is close this window. Then go here, click on power, then click on restart. After restarting, your problem is fixed. Thank you guys for your time. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment. I will appreciate it.